I almost bought Supercool AI after watching one demo. I'm glad I didn't. Not because it's bad, because the demos leave out the part that actually matters. I went in expecting another AI tool that promises to do everything. You know the type: big claims, perfect looking examples. Real life is usually a little different, so I skipped the demo prompts and threw one of my own projects at it. Honestly, the first result was just okay. Not terrible. Not amazing either. I remember thinking, did I miss something? Then I tried again. This time I gave it more context instead of a one-line prompt. That changed everything. The output wasn't magically perfect, but it was a lot closer to something I'd actually use. That was my first lesson. This tool rewards good instructions. If you're vague, don't expect miracles. Then something caught me off guard. The feature I ended up using the most wasn't the one everyone talks about. It was how quickly I could make small changes without starting over. I'd tweak one thing, regenerate, tweak another, and suddenly I had something I was happy with. That part felt surprisingly smooth. Now, it isn't flawless. A couple of times the AI completely misunderstood what I wanted. I laughed at one result because it was so far off. It happens. Instead of fighting it, I rewrote my prompt and the next version was much better. If you're comparing Supercool AI with ChatGPT, Claude, or other AI tools, I don't think it's about which one is better. They're built for different workflows. Some are stronger at brainstorming, some are better at long conversations. Supercool AI seems happiest when you already know what you're trying to create. As for the price, I'd only pay if this becomes part of your daily workflow. If you're just experimenting on weekends, the free version is probably enough. So, what does nobody tell you before buying Supercool AI? The tool isn't really the secret. Learning how to talk to it is. Once I figured that out, I stopped blaming the AI every time I got a bad result. And honestly, that made a bigger difference than upgrading to the paid plan ever could. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.